What do spirits say?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another edition of Best App Series. As usual, I have 6 apps, 3 games, and 1 icon pack. So, without further ado, let's begin with the apps. At numero uno, TapTap. TapTap is a port of double tap on back of device gesture from Android 11. It allows you to use the gesture to launch apps, control the device, including pressing home, back, or recent buttons, take a screenshot, toggle a flashlight, and many other things. The setup of the app is pretty simple. You just have to enable a couple of accessibility settings. Then you can decide what each gesture will trigger. We have double tap actions, which is tapping twice on the back of the phone, which by default is set to launch Assistant. Coming back, we have triple tap actions, which by default is set to opening a notification. On the top, we have the enable button. Now let's enable it and test out how this app works. I will double tap on the back of the phone and let us see how the actions are triggered. As you can see, as soon as I double tap, the Google Assistant opened, which is the default action of a double tap. This works pretty well and you can use it as per your needs. Now, unlike all the other apps so far, this app is not available on Play Store. This app is completely open source and is available in GitHub. So please go ahead and give this app a try. The second app in the list is called Intellect. Intellect provides a completely new approach to work on your traits, habits, and behaviors. It provides a new form of psychological training developed by a team of world-leading psychologists and behavioral experts. The app provides with numerous sessions depending on the type of habits that you want to work on. The sessions are very intuitive and can be easily understood by any of you guys. The app UI is phenomenal and the app is completely free. So why don't you guys go and check it out? Coming in at number 3, 7. Since most of us are staying at home, we all are looking for a really good fitness app. 7 provides quick bodyweight HIIT workouts just 7 minutes a day. Getting fitter has never been so easy or so much fun. Be it get fit, lose weight, or get strong, you just have to choose your goal. The exercises have pretty good demonstration with nice animations and are fairly easy to understand. Once you log in, it keeps track of all your previous exercises and the repetitions done. The app is completely free on Play Store and there is a premium version available. So I'm hoping you guys will download it and get fitter day by day. Wish you all the very best. The next app is for all you avid book readers. 12-minute book summary. This app gives you insights from best-selling non-fiction books available in audio and text. So what do you mean by insights? It's more like a key takeaways from these thousands of best-selling books, along with features like audio speed adjustments, free microbook of the day, syncing with Kindle, language selection, and even offline listening. So if you're somebody who don't have a lot of time in your life to read an entire book, this app is for you. At number 5, we have super good KWGT widget called Woods. It's a fairly new widget, but I definitely like it. It comes with a set of 25 beautiful widgets which can be set up in your home screen. As there is a wide range of date and time widgets, it should suit each and every one of your needs. Please do note that you require KWGT and KWGT Pro in order to use these widgets. And if you're a customization freak, I am presuming that you already have these. The setup is very simple. You just have to create a KWGT custom widget in your home screen and then just select any of these 25 widgets and boom, you're there. The app costs about 110 rupees, but thankfully the developer was kind enough to provide me with 20 promo codes. To get these codes, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will be announcing the winners on 26th of October during the night on my Instagram account. Finally, Wallipop, the wallpaper app that will not disappoint you. Man, I can't believe it took me so long to find this. This is exactly what I was looking for. Clean, and simple, beautiful wallpapers. Each wallpaper has a really unique set of colors that would look absolutely stunning in your screen. As you can see, the app is pretty intuitive and it lets you set wallpaper very easily. All of the wallpapers are free to be used and look stunning in your home screen, as you can see in the screen right now. Not just that, the developer has categorized different wallpapers into close to 8 to 9 categories. From these, you can pick your favorite ones and those will also be kept separately so that you can access them at any time you want. Overall, this is one of the best wallpapers app that I have found till now. I want you guys to try it. That finishes our app section. Coming to the games. And that numero uno, it's Among Us. I'm hoping that I don't have to introduce this game to you guys because I'm pretty sure that you all know about it. This game took the internet by storm. But let me still explain how it works. So basically you go into a public or a local lobby where out of 10 or any number of people that the lobby leader has set, 1 or 2 or again any number of imposters can be present. So there are 2 types of people in this game. One is called imposter, the other one is called crewmate. The job of the imposter is to kill the crewmate, and the job of the crewmate is to complete certain distinctive tasks present all over the map. During game, if a crewmate finds a dead body of a dead crewmate, then he can call up a meeting, and then you have to discuss among yourselves and find the imposter. The game is absolutely fun to play, especially if you have all your friends in a single lobby. It is completely free on Play Store, so please do go and check this game out. You do not want to miss this one. Also, just a tiny side note, there is a good chance that you might lose your friendship over this game. Coming in at number 2, Tricky Castle. It's a platformer game where the basic agenda is that you have to escape a castle full of tricks and mysterious puzzles. There are close to 120 unique levels packed with escape puzzles, and there are different unusual ways of escaping a room, close to hundreds of doors, and of course light humor. The storyline is pretty mainstream. There's a terrible villain who has captured the princess and you have to save the princess. The game is pretty fun and I urge you guys to try it. Finally, we have Ninja Arashi, which is again a platformer game, but there is a slight twist. We're playing as a ninja with a couple of special abilities. The graphics looks pretty stunning and the game framework looks pretty good. The game controls are pretty responsive and you can see that the game reacts to your controls pretty well. As the levels increase, the game becomes a little challenging, so I definitely want you guys to try this out. You can easily kill your free time during the weekend. Alright, we have come to the final section of the video, the icon pack of the month. It's called Kessel, a super simple yet vibrant icon pack, consisting of over 1073 icons and 6 wallpapers. It supports most of your icons that you use in your daily usage. The icons looks pretty neat, and I would say that this suits to the wallpaper app which I suggested before. The developer uses a very clean design language and that can be seen throughout all the icons. The wallpaper options are so-so, but then I've already suggested you a wallpaper app. It also supports most of the launchers that is present in the Play Stores, and I have no trouble applying it in any of the launchers so far. So I hope you guys check this one out. As usual, like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe to this channel. Before going, if you are new to this channel, there is a giveaway which is currently going on. You can check my last video for more info. I will be giving away one free copy of Assassin's Creed Valhalla Standard Edition for PC. This game is set to be released on November 13 and you guys stand a chance to win it. Entering the giveaway is pretty simple. You have to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I will be announcing a winner as soon as I hit 500 subscribers. Since I'm a small YouTuber, you have a very good chance of winning this free copy of Assassin's Creed Valhalla. So that's it from me. See you guys in the next video.